Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your dipstick tube on your C5 Corvette. First thing you want to do is take off the oil fill cap in order to take off this decorative cover. You're going to need some space to get to the bolt. So you want to take off these two wires right here as well so you can see what you're doing. And then after you get those off, you want to get a 15mm socket, long or short, depends on you. And then get this bolt off right here, goes into the head. Always want to make sure you put back on the oil fill cap when you're working on your car so you don't drop any bolts or anything down into your motor. But once you get that bolt loose, you take it off, and now you just yank up on the oil fill tube and it all comes out. When putting it in, if you have the dipstick in it, I recommend taking it out. There is a little oil or O-ring on there. You want to make sure that you have an O-ring, and the hole is right above the starter. You can see it between the second and third pipes if you look. So when you push it in, you want to make sure that it snaps down, that O-ring snaps down, and that's when you will be able to line up the holes. You want to make sure that hole is lined up so that you don't strip this bolt when you're putting it back in. That's it. You just torque that down if you want to, or just tighten it up. It's a dipstick tube. Put your spark plug wires back on, make sure they snap in on both ends, and then replace your decorative cover and your oil fill tube cap. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.